presenting the Chrysler 2020 300 Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tires, 245/45 R20 BSWS performance, sport appearance package included, Firestone brand tires, gloss black yellow surround molding, compact spare tire, black noise wing badges, black insert wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise aluminum, WHG, black chrome surround 300S grille, black LED tail lamps, gloss black front fascia applique tires, 245/45 R20 BSWS performance, black headlamp bezels, black noise 300 badge, gloss black wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise aluminum, WHG, transmission, 8-speed automatic 8 horsepower 50 Sao Tome and Principe d'Abras, engine, 3.6